Hello friend, this is Jimmy from Can Heaven Immigration Canada. This video is regarding Ontario's expression of interest program that has already been started, just to let you know. So let's go into the more detail about the program and what are the point system and all that stuff. Uh, as you guys know, we're talking about this one from last few months. So they have already launched this system after consultation with all the stakeholders, employers, industry, and the immigration ministry itself. So Ontario has launched their EOI system for the PNP streams under the employer job offer category as of now. There are two of its provincial nomination program that will come under this. Uh, the one is for the foreign workers and another one is for the international students. If we look at the one for the in-demand skills, master's graduate and the PhD graduate stream, they are going to open in the coming future, hopefully in another month or two. So if you want to eventually apply for the immigration through one of the Ontario's base PNP program, you can now register for the EOI system at any time, and you can make your online portal like the express entry. It will be valid for 12 months the day you will create, and it is free to register. But if you have got the invitation to apply, and then you have to submit your fees with your application. But just receiving an invitation does not mean any guarantee that you will be qualified for that. You may be qualified for that, but there is no guarantee that your paperwork will go through. Again, there are a number of factors in this, right? There are so many things. There are a number of applications they are taking per year. If the quota is met, so they are not going to get your application in the next step. You can first register under the OINP e-filing portal, and then you can go through all the requirements, and if you fulfill all of them, then you can submit your application at any time. If we look at the scoring factors, yes, there'll be all those scoring factors uh, like the skill level of your job offer, Canadian work experience, and the other. Let's go into detail about some of those ones. If your job offer is in the NOC A, you will get 10 points, NOC B 8 points, NOC C 0, and NOC D 0. Job offer, again, uh, there are certain different NOC categories also under this one. If you are in 0, 1, 2, 3, and 9, there will be 10 points. NOC type 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, there will be 5 points. These are the numbers I like. Sometimes your NOC code is 0111, 0112. If you are under any of those, 10 points like 0, 1, 2, 3, and 9. NOC type 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 will be 5 points. Now let's go to the job offer, the wage, the salary you will be getting. If you are getting $40 an hour or higher, you'll get 10 points. Between $20 to 39.99 per hour, you'll get 5 points. And if you are less than $20, there are no points for that. Check for the Canadian work experience, 12 months or more will get 4 points. If you have less than 12 months of experience, there is no point for that. Canadian work experience with the NOC skill level. If you're NOC skill level A with the Canadian experience, you'll get 3 points. B, C, D have no point system under that. Canadian work experience earning history. If you are earning 40,000 or more in the year, you'll be getting 3 points. Less than 40,000, 0 point. Education, if you have a PhD, you'll get 10 point, master's got 8, bachelor's 6, college diploma or trade certificate 5, less than college or trade certificate no points. Again, field of study, if you are engineering, 10, healthcare 10 points, math and computer science 9 points, business administration 7, trade 7, social, legal and education 6 points, arts and humanities is only 5 points there. Canadian education experience, more than 1 year Canadian credential, 10 points. one more than one Canadian credential, not 1 year, sorry. If you have two diplomas in Canada, you'll get 10 points, one will get 5 points. Official language ability, CLB 9 or higher, 10 points, CLB 8, 6 points, CLB 7, 4 points, CLB 6 or lower, 0 points. Knowledge of official language, if you know both French and English, 10 points. If only English or French, then be 5 points. Location of job offer, outside GTA, 10 points, inside GTA, 6 points only. Location of study, outside GTA, 10 points, inside GTA, 6. So these were the few of the breakage that they be given on their website, how their point system will be done. And if you think you qualify for any of those, you can simply apply, or you can call our company, Can Have an Immigration. We are happy to help you with any of the process you want to go through, and can help you with the file work all through till you get your PR. So that was a little update about Ontario OINP expression of interest system. So I'll keep you guys updated if there'll be anything else comes up. Till then, you guys all have a good day. Thank you.